Hello guys, are you a Mac user? Are you an Apple user? Very old or new, brand new, or anything related to Apple having a Mac interface? Are you tired of cussing Steve Jobs and Apple company for not letting you proper drivers for installing anything? Are you tired of using MacBook, iMac, Mac Mini for Arduino projects and turn for Windows? Yeah, like Windows. Do you face problem programming a Digispark Attiny85 micronucleus boards like the one in the screen? Did you try to solve this for days after nights and still no use, just like me? And even went to a therapist to solve this issue? Well, this is it guys, this is the video you're looking for. And what is a Digispark Attiny85 development board, which is kind of a small microcontroller board having only 6 pins. You know what 6 pin is? 0 to 5 and 3 pins for one 5-volt output and ground connection and the voltage input where you can maximum put 5 volt inside it. So it has analog pins, PWM pins, SPI and many more USB pins. We can't program it. It's useless. It is useless now. So what's a microcontroller? It's a big video, I know, I'm sorry about that. Microcontrollers are like small computer to command a script to a robot or a device. Just like on the screen we can say it's an Arduino Uno running on Atmega chips. It has many pins and a reset or flash button. It's a Node MCU running on ESP module. It has fewer pins than Uno, and it also has a reset and a flash button or pin. And here's the Digispark, the smallest one till I've known. Digispark Attiny85. It's small like a cent and it has no reset pins. So let's demonstrate. Thank you for still being in this video. Now I'm going to put my Digispark in my MacBook Pro 2012 mid version in the default USB section. Go to your Arduino INO, the IDE of your Mac version you download it from arduino.cc. So this is an Arduino interface where you are going to go to Arduino preference. You're going to see the additional board manager URL, this link. You have to paste your link, the JSON file here. Then you're going to press OK. Then you're going to go to File. Then you're going to go to Tools. Here you can find the board. You're going to go to the board manager. You're going to type here Digispark AVR or just Digispark. You're going to find this AVR board. You're going to press here install button. It's going to install itself and then you're going to close it. Go to Tools. You have to select the board Digispark default 16.5 megahertz because that's the smallest one. The programmer micronucleus selected, and then you're going to go to the port. Oh, there's no port. Where am I going to connect it? Okay, there's the part where you don't understand. We don't understand what to do. Digispark is a type of spy hardware type device, so it has to be used in a different way. First of all, I'm gonna need an extended USB cable. A hub should do the work also. I'm going to put it via the USB hub or the cable into my computer, and now I would like to suggest use an electrical tape to prevent any kind of shock or damage to the module. Let's say I'm going to upload an example of blink codes. Blink code where the input pin should be like 1. It's not the LED button built in. I'm going to use the pin mode 1 because the built LED is in the pin number 1. So the pin is 1. We're going to check if everything is okay. We're going to verify it. It's going to compile the file. It says done compiling, but when we upload it, the specific system is it's going to be compiled and say plug in your device now. Just do it. Will time out in 60 seconds. What you have to do is plug in your Digispark within 5 seconds. Now here's the crack. An Apple device won't let you do that. An Apple interface has a specific type of security system built in their USB ports. Like if you are a bad guy using a bad USB or USB killer or anything like that on a Mac, like a USB rubber ducky, you would never want to put in. It won't accept it, and it's a good thing. So how are you going to program the Digispark? So what you have to do, you have to buy a pair of big long cable or a USB hub like this. So plugging in directly the Digispark won't affect your MacBook, so it's not going to work, lol. So you're going to use a USB hub or an extension cable, like I have one in my house. Then you can program a Digispark on your own without having a Windows machine. So here we can see everything is under control here. Everything is same. We're having the pin mode 1, high, pin mode 1, low. Simple blink code. Compiling it, compile, sketch, done. Now here's the catch. There's a catch, it's done compiling. When you press the upload, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Under 5 seconds. You have to do it under 5 seconds. If it's done, it says 100% complete. Micronucleus is done. Thank you. And you see your Digispark is blinking after a second delay. What a magic. Thank you for watching. Why don't you share this video with your homies and subscribe this channel? Thank you.